Hey ladies, welcome to today's video. We are kicking off the season with holiday gift guides, and today's video is about gift guides for him. Now, whether that him is your boyfriend, your husband, your dad, father-in-law, brother, uncle, basically any grown man who you need to get a gift for this year, I'm gonna help you out. Everything that I am sharing is tried, is tested, maybe even like a little self-serving, but they are good. So go get some hot cocoa and let's get started. The first gift to start out this guide is this 4-piece barbecue tool set from Williams-Sonoma. It is $129. It is a stainless steel set, and it also comes in this really nice stainless steel case. A great way just to keep them together. I have given this gift to my husband as well as my dad 10 years ago. He is a Texas man who grills steak and chicken and anything weekly or whenever he can. Like, he would grill every night if he could, and he still uses this set. So it has not only stood the test of time, but also his, meaning my dad's, very particular ways that he likes things. And he likes it. It's been a great, great gift. So if you have a grill master in your life, this is a good gift for them. Now, if you just kind of want to bundle up this gift a little bit more, then this 3-piece barbecue sauce set is delicious. I gave it to my husband for Father's Day, and we have used it on chicken, on steaks, on meatloaf. Yeah, they're gone. They're good. We need to restock. All right, let's move on to gift number 2. The next gift that I want to share is honestly my favorite one, and I should save it to the end, but that's not my personality, so here we go. It is this Audio-Technica record player. Now, my husband actually gave this to me about 5 years ago. I swear he really got it for him, but it has been the most enjoyable gift ever. It has been so fun for us to collect records wherever we go. Living in New York, we actually had a flea market across the street every Sunday. So every week we would show up and go to the little record stand and just sort through records, trying to find some fun ones to bring home. Now, obviously this gift is not just for men. We have gifted it to my dad as well as my mother-in-law, and they love it. It is such a good gift that you may not have thought about. It's a really interactive way to listen to music. Now, I want to note that with most quality record players, there is not a built-in speaker. So you're going to need to get a speaker to go with this. Now, because this is a Bluetooth record player, any Bluetooth speaker will work. We use the Marshall Acton speaker. It is phenomenal. It is expensive. It's like $300. But like I said, any Bluetooth speaker will work. So just keep that in mind if you're gifting this. Next, let's move on to this Uniqlo Merino sweater. It is $38. I have been shopping Uniqlo for years, for over a decade, for clients, family members, and myself. It has such quality pieces for really affordable prices, like cashmere's for under $100. Actually, side note, all the men in my family are obsessed with their socks. Just putting it out there. This sweater comes in a V-neck as well as a crew neck. So if the man that you are shopping for wears a lot of button-up collared shirts, then I would get the V-neck. It's a really great layering piece. Or if you know that they are just gonna wanna wear it on its own, then get the crew neck. It's just a great all-around sweater. If your loved one does not have an Apple TV, make their day. I honestly cannot imagine my viewing experience without it. I love having all of our apps and TV subscriptions. Oh my gosh, we have so many TV subscriptions. I love having them all in one place. And I also love that screen sharing mode from your computer or your phone onto your TV. It's automatic whether you're sharing photos with someone or want to show up a silly YouTube video. So it is $179. Get it for your husband, get it for your dad, your brother. The Apple TV is a good gift for anyone. And it's also very user-friendly. If, say, like your parents don't really know how to work technology, they're gonna figure this one out. It is true to Apple by just being seamless and really easy to use. The next gift is the Theragun Prime. Who has heard of the Theragun or has used it or who owns it? It is basically this rapid massager that is so intense and so good. It is the perfect gift for anyone who lives a really active lifestyle and just needs to kind of ease that muscle tension or muscle soreness. This is the only gift on the list that I do not own, but we have tried it and it's amazing. Theragun offers the Pro. I think that was like their first, the original one, and it is a whopping $600. So I just couldn't justify it. They have since come out with more price-conscious options. This Prime is $299. So yes, it is definitely a more expensive gift, but it is so good. The reviews are still 5-star. They're just as good as the Pro. Todd, if you're watching this, turn it off for just a minute. Okay, I am putting this under the Christmas tree for him this year. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, you know what would be such a good thing as well? Is to give like one of those massage chairs where you like stick your head in it. That would be a great package. Not necessary, but definitely something to think about. I'm so excited about this gift. This next gift is the Jack Black Pit Boss deodorant. We're just gonna switch it up a little bit here. Now I am doing a men's stocking stuffer guide. This could very easily go into it, but I loved it so much, I wanted to talk about it here. If you are unfamiliar with Jack Black, I am not talking about the actor who is surprisingly funny. Jack Black is the #1 men's skincare line, and they have some really good products, this deodorant being one of them. Now, we're not talking about your $4 Old Spice. This is a little bit more of a bougie deodorant, but if you want something nice to give your husband, this is a great option, whether it's for stocking or just a gift. You could even gift some other Jack Black skincare items. The chapstick is so good, and you both kind of win. As I was going over this gift guide with my brother-in-law, he reminded me of his favorite basic t-shirt. Now, this brother-in-law is oftentimes more fashionable than me. He loves clothes, he loves looking good, and he has like 5 of these shirts. So this is the COS round neck t-shirt. It is $22 and it comes in 15 colors, maybe like 17. It comes in a ton just because it is such a staple and people love it. It has a great neckline. It's a really good fit and it is true to size. So if you are shopping for someone who just loves a really good basic tee, which is honestly a lot harder to find than you may think, this is a good option. If your husband or dad or brother or whoever is working from home and there are a lot of little pitter patters throughout the house, then he needs these Bose noise canceling headphones. My husband bought these halfway through COVID and I swear on some days he loves them more than his firstborn. And sometimes I swear he doesn't even have the setting on, but he just puts them on and it's the excuse to not answer to anyone. Maybe don't buy these unless you really love this man. Then it's a great option. It's a great option. They're more expensive. They are oftentimes on sale, but they're good. Next, let's move into shoes because like socks, shoes are just kind of like a staple holiday gift that I love to give because most men need them. And as long as you know their shoe size, it's just like a fun gift to give. Everyone loves a good pair of shoes. These ones are the ADIDAS Ultra Boost 20s. Whether the man that you are shopping for is a shoe fanatic or not, they're going to love these. You'll notice that there are a lot of different styles of Ultra Boosts. The 20s are my favorite. Here are a couple different color combinations and patterns that I am personally digging, but choose one that your man's gonna love and it's a really good present. Still sticking to this shoe theme, I wanna share with you these UGG leather slippers. They are classy, they are quality, and they are so comfortable. I think a lot of people kind of share this same tradition, but every Christmas Eve, we all get to open up one present. And that one present, to no one's surprise anymore, is always pajamas. And oftentimes I like to include slippers with the pajamas. One year I gifted my husband these slippers. He wears them all the time and they still look brand new. Now these ones are $119. UGG has a couple different styles. One of them called the Scuff Slipper is an open back. It's $79, but they're just quality, they're good. And if you share that same tradition that we do, then this is just kind of like a fun little thing to add to their pajamas. Next, I want to share this Patagonia backpack with you. My husband was gifted this last year and we have used it way more than I could have ever imagined. I never would have bought him this, and I didn't buy him this, someone else did, and it has gotten so much use. Now we live in Utah where we are hiking a lot and out with the kids a lot, and this backpack is a staple on every single hike. I am so happy that we have it. We have the 28 liter. It is such a perfect, substantial size to throw in your water bottles, your snacks, any coats that your children may shed halfway through the hike. It is so perfect. If you know Lululemon or Athleta, then I am sure that you know RHONE. They are just crushing it in like the men's athleisure athletic wear. Such a good quality brand, and I love their Spar joggers. I mean, honestly, I think this is like their best seller. Everyone loves the Spar joggers. They come in a few different colors, and RHONE actually just released a matching zip hoodie for this cute little set. But now that leisure wear is just kind of dominating our wardrobes, this is a really good option. We only have 2 more gifts left, and I want to share a cologne with you that is my favorite in the whole world. It is LABO SANTAL 33. To know it is to love it. And if you don't know what it is, like I didn't about 8 years ago, you may chase someone down in the streets of New York City to figure out what they are wearing because it is so incredible. It is like masculine and sexy and leathery and musky. And once you've smelled it, you will recognize it immediately. Now, there is no way to sugarcoat this. It is a very expensive habit. This cologne is not cheap. It starts at like $83 for a little one and goes up into the 200s, but it is bougie and it is yummy. Also, when you buy it, like they print on the label like your name and the day they made it. Like it is an experience to have this cologne. So go make some man real happy, and the girl who happens to be passing them in the streets. The last and final gift is, well, it's no LABO, but it sure is practical, and that is a laptop stand. Now, this is a great gift for any man who works from home or even a college student. This specific one was recommended to me, and it has near perfect reviews. They're incredible. So the good thing about a laptop stand is that not only does it help your laptop not overheat when it is sitting, but it also helps with your posture and by keeping your hands up high instead of hunkering down on your keyboard. So it's a really practical gift, but really useful for those men who are working from home. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Remember, I have a ton more gift guides coming out for women, college students, teens, tweens, kids, stocking stuffers. Like I have been busy over here helping to just kind of lighten your holiday load. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.